Hi there. On your car, if you've got annoying, noisy wiper blades like this, even if we add water, you will see that they're still noisy. What's happening is the rubber's getting old, so they will need replacing. So you might have heard that cleaning the wiper blades will work. So that's exactly what we're going to try in this video. First of all, we're going to clean it using rubbing alcohol. In the UK, we call it surgical spirit. And then we're going to try, if that doesn't work, we're going to try using white vinegar, because I also heard that that will work as well. So we're going to do that and then test the wipers, and then we're going to do the white vinegar and test the wipers just to see if it solves the problem. So let's get started. Now I'm going to use the surgical spirit or rubbing alcohol to rub along it. Make sure you don't get any of this on the paintwork. So I've just got a small bit there. Okay, so let's see if it's made any difference at all. So it's actually started drizzling, raining again since I started doing it, so that was pretty good. Hold on now. It's still not perfect. Put some water on. It's better, but it's still not great. Right, what I'm going to try now is I'm going to try some vinegar, because I heard that vinegar is supposed to work to soften up the rubber as well. Right, okay, so as you've seen, we've just cleaned it with the rubbing alcohol and the white vinegar, and it's still making the noise. So let's add some water. It's better, but it's definitely not perfect. So in this instance, it hasn't worked for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend the £30 on nice new Bosch blades. They're so easy to replace on this, and I'll show you that now. So I'll order them up and it will come later today. Okay, so the new blades have arrived. Got them from Euro Car Parts in the UK. Cost just over 30 UK pounds, and the sun's come out now as well, so we're just going to fit them. Should be a nice easy job. So with these ones, they're both the same size, so there's not a left and right, both of them will do both sides, and it's so easy to do. All we have to do is, with the old ones, do that and then just slide them out. It's as simple as that. Make sure you don't just drop this against the windscreen, and then with the new ones, you can see they're just going to go in that side there and drop in. It's as simple as that, really easy to do. Now we'll just do the one on the other side. Lift it up, twist it, take it out, get the new one in, and you can see I'm going that way, dropping it there. Right, now let's see if these are nice and quiet. Right, so let's see if these are any better now. So turn it on. Ah, there we go. Lovely. Now, you see? So I personally don't think it's worth time wasting all that effort and energy cleaning the old ones when they start squeaking. Obviously you should clean your windscreen wipers as and when you wash your car anyway, but you can see now, that's nice. So it's dry and wet. Perfect. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.